Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Graciela Palomino. I am marketing and business administration student. For this activity, I will do the interview myself. So I will play two roles, the manager and the candidate. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you. Good afternoon. Welcome to our new working event. My name is Sarah Johnson, and I am the Human Resource Manager of Global Test Solution Candidate. Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. Thank, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Graciela Palomino. I am Peruvian. I am marketing and business administration student manager. Nice to meet you, Graciela. Can you tell me about your education background? The candidate. Of course, I am currently studying marketing and business administration and university. I have also completed different academic projects related to business, customer service, and marketing and manager. Do you have any certification of diplomas? Candidates? Yes, I have participated in training programs, workshops related to business management and professional de- development. This experience have helped me improve my knowledge and skill. Manager, what professional skill do you have? El candidate. I have a strong learning communication and teamwork skill. I am responsible, organized, and productive. I enjoy working with people and solving problems. Manager, can you describe a situation where you demonstrate leadership? Yes, during a university project, I lead a team of students studying. I organize activities, assign responsibilities, and coordinating meeting and result we completed the project successful and manager. Excellence, what technical skill do you have? Candidate. I have experience using Microsoft programs such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and addition uh, have basic knowledge of digital marketing and social media manager. Are you interested in working for company as team leader? A candidate. Yes, I am very interested in this position. because it would help me develop my professional career and improve my leadership ability. Why do why do you think you are a good candidate for this problem? I believe I am a strong candidate because I am hardworking, responsible, and eager to learn. I work well under pressure and communicate effectively with others. In addition, I always try to motivate people and contribute positively to a team. What could you bring to our company? I could become com- community, creativity, teamwork, um, possible today. I am willing to learn new skill and contribute to the success of the company. What are your future professional goals? My goal is to become a successful professional in the field of marketing and business manager. I would also like to lead projects and help organization work. Thank you very much for your time, Graciela. I was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you very much for interview. I appreciate the opportunity and hope to work with your company in the future. Thank you, teacher. This was my presentation.